I'm going to show you how to use the Oakland Read site to play I Spy a Word. So as a reminder, you can always change the language up here by going to language and clicking on your preferred home language. And the mobile app, it's under the menu. Then we're going to go to how reading works and knowing the sounds of written letters, which we also call phonics. We're going to go down past the videos and the activities, and we're going to find a little decodable book to read. So I would start here for kindergartners, decodable books for beginning readers, and later we'll look at some more books. So we'll start with here, this one, We Can't Stop. And I'll show the child the book, talk about the title, look at the pictures, and then start reading. And I might say on this book, I'm thinking of a word that starts with the sound g, g. And let's say maybe the child says, get. Is it get? And I would say, well, it says g, t, but the middle sound is a short O. So it's going to say ah, ah, ah. So let's put the sounds together. G, ah, t. What's the word? And then the child, and you can say the word together, got. So there's the word got. And then you can ask the child to take a turn. You can do that with sight words also. So on this page, I might say, I'm thinking of a word that's a sight word. It starts with the th sound, which is spelled TH. The child might say, is it this one? And I would say, yes. In this word, we have, and then the E says, so let's put it together, So that, and then you can have the child take a turn and have them find a word. Let's go back and we'll take a look at another book, maybe for an older reader or a child who has mastered their short vowel sounds. We also have more decodable books for beginning readers. So maybe end of kindergarten, beginning of first grade, and actually all of first grade. And then we have decodable words for emerging readers, and reminder that you can go to the side. And there are multiple pages on some of these. So here I'll go to Chase and Chet. So for this, I would go over the sound that we're going to be practicing with a child. So this one is focusing on CH. You can often find that at the end of the book. So CH, so talk about how this says ch, ch, ch. And then on these first couple pages, I might say, I'm thinking of a word that starts with ch. And then the child might say, is it chess? Here's the word chess. And I might say, no, it's a name, so it starts with a capital C. And let's see if they might say, is it Chet? Chet? And I say that has a capital C, but the word I'm thinking of has a long A sound, and it's a name, so it's a capital C. And then they might find this one, and I say, let's read it together. Ch-A-S, chase. And the E is a silent E. So that's a way to play I Spy a Word on Oakland Reads. There are lots of books that you can find on here to read at home and have your child practice with and read together and play I Spy a Word.